How to make money with Canva in 2022? If that's your question, then the wait is over. We have briefed you about all the basics of Canva, so now you are ready to get informed about the money-making methods. But before that, let me tell you what is Canva. Canva is an online graphic design and publishing platform that allows users to create logos, posters, social media posts, GIFs, and more. With thousands of templates and images, Canva is a lifesaver for non-designers and beginners looking to produce enchanting and eye-catching graphics effortlessly. If you have been using Canva for a while and want to make money with it, you have found the right place, as I have figured it out for you. Number 1 method is through Canva Affiliate Program. When it comes to making money with Canva, we must consider the Canva Pro Affiliate Program. You will earn a fixed commission if someone joins Canva using your affiliate link once you join the Canva Pro Affiliate Program. You may earn money with this affiliate approach even if you have no prior experience with Photoshop or graphic design. Canva Pro Affiliate Marketing is a 3-step process for making money. Step 1. You have to register as an affiliate. For doing that, head over to canva.com and click on Affiliates. Then you have to click the Join Now button and sign up for getting the affiliate link. There are no fees or minimum sales requirements to join. Step 2. You have to promote Canva Pro through your social media handles. You can earn money when your visitors click your affiliate link and join up for Canva Pro. For each new Canva Pro member that signs up using your unique referral link, you may earn up to $36. Number 2 method is to become a Canva creator or contributor. You can also earn money with Canva by becoming a creator or a contributor. Canva is looking for individuals that are eager to share their designs and templates. After the approval of your application, you may use Canva to create and edit templates. When people use such templates, they will get paid according to Canva's payment policy. Number 3 method to earn money using Canva is to create product design using Canva. For example, you can create personalized product designs for t-shirts and mugs. You can earn money from Canva by selling personalized products like t-shirts and mugs. Canva enables you to create distinctive and compelling designs ideas to use on various personalized products. Several sports teams and social media influencers use their customized merchandise to strengthen their bond and affiliation with their followers. On the other hand, people order personalized coffee and photo mugs for brand promotions, gifting, giveaways, or personal use. You can portray your creative and artistic skills on these mug designs and start earning money from Canva. Number 4 method is ebooks. If you want to share your knowledge, experience, and expertise with people around the globe, you can write an ebook and sell it with the help of Canva. You can design appealing book covers to improve your sales. Canva helps you create and sell your comic books or picture storybooks on various platforms, such as Amazon's Kindle, an ideal marketplace for selling ebooks. Number 5 method is to create a wall art using Canva. Wall art is an art type that has embedded its roots in the history of humankind. As time has passed, this art form has shown tremendous growth and evolution. Gone are the days of dull and monotonous slogans that have ruled the marketing campaigns in the past. You can create sharp and impeccable wall art designs and posters using Canva. Find your target market, come up with catchy quotations, and create wall art with flair. Then, sell your wall art design in sites like Amazon, Fine Art America, Etsy, etc. Number 6 method is to create digital planners and calendars. Digital planners do not get printed and stay in the digital domain. You can use them with an iPad and an Apple Pen, making them ideal for individuals who enjoy planning but don't want to look around a large binder or waste paper. With the help of Canva, you can design digital planners and calendars to assist society become a bit more organized. The benefit of making a planner is that you can select from various themes ranging from daily to-do lists to financial planners and event planning to family events. You can earn hundreds of dollars by selling these designs. Furthermore, you can also use Canva for your social media content. As we are living in the age of social media, most things are just one click away from us as the world has become a global village. By developing social media graphics, you can help influencers and companies attract a new audience and gain more views on their work. Canva has size templates for just about every social media network you can think of. Social media content enables businesses to showcase their products to all demographics and helps them boost their sales. This content is the need of the hour as it helps your customers reach millions of people around the globe. Number 7th method to earn money from Canva is to sell your designs in print-on-demand site. Most of you are familiar with print-on-demand services, which allow you to upload your creative works and earn a modest fee on each sale of their items that incorporate your design. You may use your photo or graphic design abilities to create t-shirts, stickers, mugs, shoes, and a variety of other items, allowing you to make money. That's all our video. If you feel useful, then give a like for this video. Also share it with your friends who don't know about these methods. Subscribe Finance Rush for financial videos.